Hello, welcome to the 3-day weather forecast. The continuous influx of moist winds from the Atlantic Ocean into the country has continued to push the line of intertropical discontinuity known as the ITD northward, placing its current position slightly beyond Nigeria over Niger at approximately 15 degrees north of latitude. This condition leaves most parts of the country favorable for rainfall. And so for Thursday, we expect parts of the northeast, the northwest, and also the central states of Niger, Kogi, Benue, and part of Nasarawa and the FCT to experience thunderstorms. We also expect part of Cross River State, Rivers, Bayelsa, and Ogun State, as well as the inland cities of the southwest to experience some thunderstorms, while cloudy conditions are likely to prevail over the Mambila Plateau area. For the likely impact of this forecast, we expect places that appear in green to have little or no hazard from the expected weather over these areas, while places that appear in yellow and orange are expected to have low to moderate impact or hazard from the expected thunderstorms. For our maximum temperature forecast, we expect values to range between 33 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the country, while the southern parts are expected to experience daytime highs between 33 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. However, the lowest temperature values during the day and at night are expected over Jos and also in parts of Nasarawa State at 30 degrees Celsius during the day and 17 degrees Celsius during the night hours. For Friday, we expect the northern parts of the country to be partly cloudy over Maiduguri areas and also over Sokoto areas. We also expect prospects for thunderstorms over parts of Kano, Katsina, and also in parts of southern Kaduna and the FCT areas. The inland cities of the south down to the coastal areas also have high prospects for thunderstorms. And for the likely impact from these storms, we expect no hazard from the expected storms over the places that appear in green, while places that appear in yellow and orange are expected to have low to moderate impact over these areas. For our maximum temperature forecast on this day, the value over Jos is expected to reduce slightly to 29 degrees Celsius during the day, while other parts of the north are expected to experience daytime highs between 33 degrees Celsius and 41 and 42 degrees Celsius over the northeast. The southern parts of the country are, however, expected to see maximum daytime highs between 33 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius, except Makodi, where we expect to see 32 degrees during the day and 24 degrees Celsius at night. For Saturday, we expect the extreme northern parts of the country to be stable in partly cloudy conditions, but with prospects of thunderstorms in parts of Gombe and also in parts of Kaduna and the FCT areas. We also expect thunderstorms to affect the southeastern coast and the inland cities of the southwest down to the coastal areas. For our maximum temperature forecast on this day, temperature over Maiduguri is expected to increase slightly to 43 degrees Celsius during the day and 25 degrees Celsius at night, while other places within the northern zone are expected to watch out for daytime highs between 32 degrees Celsius and 41 degrees Celsius, while temperatures during the nighttime over the northern parts are expected to range between 20 degrees Celsius over Jos to 25 degrees Celsius over Sokoto and also over Maiduguri areas. The southern parts of the country are expected to watch out for daytime highs between 31 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius, while night values are expected to range between 23 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius over Owerri areas. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day forecast. Thanks for watching. I remain Paul Ugbah. See you again.